Well, hi, this is Jay Arthur. Let me show you how easy it is to draw a histogram using ChartSmartXL. Now, as you see here, we have some data. These are bursting strength of bottles. We can have one or more columns of data that we've measured. So this is manufacturing, so they have 5 columns, but we could just as easily choose one column as well. If you go to Pareto Chart Histogram, click on Histogram, this will quickly build you what are called descriptive statistics. And so you can see here's our histogram. It'll give us a box plot of where the data is centered, our confidence intervals, things about whether our data is normal or not. So that's a quick way to get a histogram right here in ChartSmartXL. Now, as you can see here, we actually have some upper and lower specification limits. And so in manufacturing, right, the goalpost mentality, we don't want our bottle to burst too low, and we do not want it to burst too high. What we do is select the data, come under Pareto Chart Histogram, and choose Histogram with CP and CPK. These are measurements of how well your data fits between these two spec limits. So our top number is 346. Bottom number is 200. And it will draw our histogram. And here you can see our lower spec is 200, but we have some points below there. And our upper spec is 346, and we have some points above there. So that means we have a problem, right? Our performance isn't meeting the customer's specification. Now, if we go back in and improve our process, here's some of the data from later on. We can choose the same chart, histogram. And again, our upper spec is 346. Lower spec is 200. It'll prompt you for titles. And now we've actually moved our process so it's more centered in the middle of our data. And our capability metrics, CP and CPK, went up to 1.26. Now, most manufacturing organizations want you to get to at least 1.33. So that's the difference. Here we were CP and CPK were 0.76. They were way below 1, which is sort of the minimum. And over here they're up to 1.26. So we've made some improvements. We've radically improved how our performance is going. And so that's the nature of using ChartSmart and the histogram to do this. That's how easy it is to start to create histograms using ChartSmartXL.